your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
82-degree air temperature, right on the money for where we thought we'd be with a dew point value of 63. We're looking at another beautiful afternoon with warm temperatures, much warmer than average by about 5 to 8 degrees, and an east wind that continues to blow at 10. It'll get even breezier, I think, as we head into the later part of the afternoon. The east wind keeping the sea breeze from forming, keeping any of the clouds that manage to work their way in from the other coast from forming into anything that could produce any precipitation whatsoever. We'll stay dry today. Winds are uniformly out of the east in northern parts of the Sun Coast and in southern parts of the Sun Coast, and will stay that way through the day. Maybe right along the immediate coast, you might see a little bit of a sea breeze develop there, but it'll be a very, very shallow one. Yesterday at Holmes Beach, we had a sea breeze that built finally at about 3 o'clock in the afternoon for only a brief hour or so. And it did manage to lower temperatures in a 45-minute period by about 5 degrees. So if you can get a west wind going, it will be effective in cooling you off. The problem is just getting it going with that strong easterly wind flow. Most of us will see temperatures in the high 80s again today. The record is 92. We won't get there, but we got to 89 yesterday, and we will likely do that again today. 87 by about 3 p.m., 82 degrees by 7 p.m. Should be a beautiful sunset, by the way. And then as we head into the evening and overnight, still dry, but we will bottom it out like we did this morning, coming in the mid-60s. So, lack of rainfall remains with us throughout the day today. An easterly wind continues to blow. Yes, we may get some showers to the south of us. We may get some showers to the east of us, but all of these showers tend to dampen out before they ever make it to us. So we're left with just some fair weather cloudiness, that easterly wind flow, and some very warm temperatures. Weather highlights include this area of low pressure back to the west, continuing to provide the potential for some severe weather in parts of Kansas and Missouri today. High pressure remains with us with that easterly wind flow bringing us sunny, dry conditions, dry into the weekend, and that east wind continuing. That dry into the weekend part, not such a good thing. The fire danger index continues to rise across the area. We now have Manatee County and Charlotte County in the very high category for fire danger. Not a good thing. And everyone else is in the high category. I expect we could probably see some extreme values before the week is up. Northeast wind coming in about 10, surges to about 15 during the overnight, and the forecast calls for 88 for 89 for a high temperature today, 88, 89 for a high temperature tomorrow. Same thing on Friday. On Saturday, I think a little trough of low pressure, a little tropical wave will help to kind of lessen the impact of the high pressure ridge that's bringing us our easterly wind. That'll allow for a stronger sea breeze. So for a couple of days, I think we can include about a 10% chance of an inland shower. And then a frontal boundary approaching on Tuesday, a weak one, will also give us a chance at some showers. Scott?